Hi everyone, this is Seth Itzkan of Soil4Climate. I'm here with the year-end video to say hooray for 2017, which was a great year, and to welcome in 2018, which will be even better, and to give a shout out to friends and family, and to tell you what we're excited about. First of all, I should explain that I'm in Vermont, which is where we're incorporated, and we have record freezing temperatures here, and actually that's part of the global warming scenario because the jet streams have been disrupted, and so there's extreme cold air coming south and extreme warm air going north. The important point is that the global average temperature is up 1.7 degrees, which is extremely dangerous, and we're over 400 parts per million now of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which is also extremely dangerous. And to reverse global warming, we need to be below 300 parts per million. So that's 100 parts per million. That equates to approximately 200 gigatons of carbon that need to be removed from the atmosphere. And that's the goal of Soil4Climate, to remove carbon from the atmosphere. Again, Soil4Climate, and to remove carbon from the atmosphere and to put it in soil where it can safely do much good for humans and for water and for the climate, of course. And so that's our organization, Soil4Climate, and we are complementary to the emissions reduction efforts of the climate movement, particularly like the 350.org. We have to, of course, stop fossil fuel emissions, but as we now know, that's not enough. We need to complement that with drawdown solutions, and that's the role of Soil4Climate. And just a couple of things I want to highlight for 2017 that happened that I'm so excited about. One is the creation of a partner organization of ours in Kenya, the Maasai Center for Regenerative Pastoralism, and I'm very proud to say that on World Soil Day, December 5th, 2017, with our partners, the Maasai Center for Regenerative Pastoralism, we launched our first on-the-ground project. It's called the Maasai Lands Restoration Project, and we're extremely proud of that effort. And we're doing our fundraising campaign now, and you can contribute to it and to really make a difference on the ground in Kenya, and eventually we hope in dryland areas around the world. And the purpose of this project is to drill a borehole or a well for water, and to complement that with holistic planned grazing to restore the grasses in their area and to improve the soils and to... Hi, this is Seth Itzkan again, continuing the video that we started a minute ago. It's so cold that the battery died. We had to go back in and give some more juice to the battery. Anyway, I was talking about the Maasai Lands Restoration Project in Kenya that we're doing with the Maasai Center for Regenerative Pastoralism. We're really excited about this. We want to demonstrate restoration of these dryland areas, and we hope to be engaged with the University of Nairobi to be doing ecological monitoring of soil health, water infiltration, soil carbon, plant species diversity, those types of indicators. And then we hope to branch out as quickly as possible into other communities and into the whole district to really set the example of grassland area restoration using this type of methodology. And this is a soil solution, but it's also, it's a human solution to, empower and embetter those communities. So we're really looking forward to that. A couple other things from 2017 we're really happy about. We did this policy paper with Tufts University, particularly the Global Development and the Environment Institute at Tufts University, a policy paper called Hope Below Our Feet, Soil as a Climate Solution. Very excited about that, and that paper itself is now being used as an addendum or as an attachment to testimony that we've been given, that we're giving on healthy soils legislation in several states now in the United States, Massachusetts, Vermont, and Connecticut. We've been involved in writing legislation in 2 of those states, and we've given testimony in 3 of them, and we're now starting a national campaign on healthy soils legislation, and our hope is to eventually impact the 2018 U.S. Farm Bill. So we want soils to be part of climate thinking. Also, in 2017, we co-wrote this, we wrote this wonderful paper for Permaculture North America magazine called The Agriculture of Hope, Climate Farmers of North America. And really happy about this paper as well. Check it out. Permaculture North America magazine. Also in 2017, we were represented at many great international conferences, almost too many to mention. Oh, and particularly the French 4 per 1,000 initiative to increase soil carbon by 4 parts per 1,000. And we're a member of that consortium, and we're really delighted about that. So looking forward to 2018 to continuing to do all this great work. Please check out the fundraiser that we're doing for the Kenya project. It's really important that we get the well built before the next dry season, okay, which is starting in early 2018. So we need to raise that money right away so we can build the well and start doing the holistic plant grazing. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for making Soil4Climate such a wonderful organization to be affiliated with and to give hope to this movement, and looking forward to a wonderful 2018. Thanks. Happy New Year's.